Namaste. Let's talk about properties of algebra. So here we are learning three things. First is evaluate expressions when giving values. Second, combine like terms. Third is distributive property, and then solve. So before we get started, I want to introduce myself. My name is Nisha Thakur, and I am the founder of Nisha Tutor, and I have been teaching since 2008. For further details, you can log on my website nishaetutor.com. So let's start. So in algebra, we will often need to simplify an expression to make it easier to use. There are three basic forms of simplifying which we will review here. So first one, simplifying algebraic expressions by substituting given values, then distributing, and then combine like terms. So we are doing this substituting given values. So now we can here substitute value. What is p value here? 3. And what is q value here? 5 plus 6. And now we will use here PEMDAS rule. I already made a video in PEMDAS topic, so please must watch before doing this one. Okay, so here first solve parenthesis according to PEMDAS. So 5 plus 6, 11, and then multiply. So 3 times 11, 33 is the answer. Okay, now next question, very simple questions. These are, okay, now this one. So here we can put x and z are two variables. So x value is minus 6 plus z value. Okay, here remember one thing. So if positive numbers, if you write, if you substitute, so you can means no need to parentheses, but whenever you substitute negative numbers, so means it will be more difficult later, and you will get confused. So try to write in parentheses. This is very important. So it is good habit to always use them to prevent problem later. Now we can put here z value minus 2, and then x value minus 6, 3 minus z value minus 2. Look here, if you don't write here parentheses, so it will be wrong. So it's better means if you write in the parentheses substitution. X value minus 6, then divided by 3. Okay, what should we do first? So evaluate parentheses. This parenthesis we can evaluate. So this is negative 6. We can write plus, minus 2, minus 6, and here we are simplifying parenthesis inner one. So we solve this one. So here we can write 3 plus 2, because minus multiply with minus 2, plus 2, and here we can simplify this, minus 6 divided by 3. So answer is minus 2. Okay, now minus 6 plus minus 2 times 6, minus 6 is 12, and this is 3 times 2, 5, and then minus 2. So according to PEMDAS, first multiply. 12 times 5 60 and -2. And now multiply first, don't add, because according to PEMDAS, first we multiply, then add or subtract. So 60 times -2 is -120. And now you can add, subtract. So our final answer is -126. Same sign, addition, and take larger number sign. So answer is -126. Okay. Now here combine like terms. So here x, this one and this one are like terms. So we can combine this. 5 minus 8 is -3, and this variable write as it is. So 5x minus 8x, we get -3x. And this is y. These are like terms. So -2y plus 7y is plus 5y. Different sign, subtract. So 7 subtract 2, we get 5, and take larger number sign, which is positive. And that's the answer. Okay, another question. Okay, x square and this one are like terms. So 8x square minus 2 x square. So 8 minus 2, 6x square. Now 3x. So this one, okay, minus 3x plus 4x. 4 minus 3, 1. It means x. Here you can imagine here 1. X means 1x. Okay, this one 7 and -3 constant are like terms. So 7 minus 3, which is 4. And this is the answer. Very simple questions. Okay, now we learn about distributive property. So a multiply with parenthesis, there maybe sum or means addition or subtraction. So a multiply with b, ab, and a multiply with c, ac. If you're negative, here negative. Okay, so here 4 multiply with 2x is 8x, and 4 multiply with 7, 28. So here negative, that's why here negative 28. 4 multiply with -7 is -28. If you have good knowledge about integers, so you can solve very easily. Okay. Now here multiply minus with -7, so all sign will be changed. Okay. -7 times 5x. So here -7 multiply with 5, -35x. Can you see 5x was positive, now this one negative. And -7 multiply with -6, it will be positive 42. Because negative multiply positive, and negative multiply with positive number negative. Different sign, answer is in negative. Same sign, answer is in positive. I can share my that video link, integer and PEMDAS. Okay. Now here minus multiply with this parenthesis. It means we can imagine here -1. Okay. So minus multiply with this parenthesis, or we can say -1 multiply with this parenthesis. It means here we use distributive property. And simply we can say, if negative multiply with parentheses, all sign will be changed. 4x was positive, now negative. Because minus multiply with positive 4, minus 1 multiply with positive 4, answer is in minus 4. Negative multiply with negative, positive. Negative multiply with positive, negative. And this is the answer, all sign changed. Okay, now here simplify this. So here we can apply distributive property. So simply multiply with 3, 3 times 2 6 x, and 3 times 4 12, but minus 12, because here minus. 3 times minus 4 minus 12. Now we can combine like terms. So 6x, and we can combine this one, because 5 and minus 12 are constant, and their answer is minus 7. If you have any doubt, please ask me. So 6x and minus 7. Yeah, that's it. Okay, now here 3x write as it is. Here we are means also using PEMDAS rule, because we can't subtract first, because here multiply also, right? So here given two operations, minus and here means subtraction and multiplication, so we do multiplication first. So 3x write as it is, and minus 2 multiply with 4x minus 8x, and minus 2 multiply with minus 5 plus 10. Remember, whenever we multiply by negative numbers, bracket sign always change. Okay. Now we can combine like terms. Here 3x and minus 8x are like terms, so we can combine 3 minus 8 minus 5x plus 10. Okay. Now here two terms. This is first one and this is second one, separated by minus. And here we can apply distributive property. Here also we can apply distributive property. So here multiply with 4. 4 times 3 12x. Now 4 multiply with minus 8 is minus 32. Minus multiply with 2x minus 2x, and minus multiply with minus 7 plus 7. Now we got 4 terms, and check are these like terms? So yes, this is like terms. 12x minus 2x, 10x, and minus 32 plus 7 minus 25. Okay, so that's it. I hope you clear everything, and if you have any queries, please ask me. You can email me, or if you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye, have a nice time.